Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So we're coming up to the new year. We're finishing out 2023 and coming into 2024. And I just want to thank everybody for sticking with me and helping me grow the channel. It's been quite a ride. We're coming up on 100,000 subscribers. We're over 90,000 right now. In fact, I'm filming this the week before Christmas, and we still have no snow. So my big purchase of the snowblower has paid off. It has drove away winter, at least for the time being, and I'm looking at the forecast. It's looking good, looking like the snowblower actually was a sound investment. There's no snow in the forecast, so I am super excited by that. Lots been happening around the shop, been a very busy end to the year. I cut back to every 2 weeks for videos. We're gonna try to get back to every week again in the coming year, but it might be a little bit yet. We got a lot of stuff in the works that I gotta get going on. I've got a lot of stuff that I've filmed and got to get the editing done. So there's a lot coming. And another thing I want to do is I'm going to start channel memberships. If anybody's interested in a membership, please feel free to join. Generally, one of the bigger perks is that the videos usually get uploaded the week before they get released. A week, sometimes 2 weeks. So that's one of the big perks. You'll get to see the videos sooner. I don't know if it's ad-free when they do that or not. I don't know anything, so anybody who joins and does, watch the videos early, please let me know. And we've had a lot of interesting projects in the last year in 2023, and I'm gonna try to throw in some clips here, show you some of the stuff we've been working on. So in 2024, we've got a lot of cool stuff I'm working on. Some new projects, some repairs to my own stuff. Connor has been working nonstop on repairs on the dragline crane. He is actually rebuilding the tracks, rebuilding the pads, making all new track pins. He's going to be making new bushings for all the track rollers and possibly shafts. So Connor has been very busy on all that stuff. I have the cylinder for my steam engine here in the shop. We are going to be boring that because it's a little out of round. So that's another project coming up. We're going to be trying to get the sawmill shed built this summer, and the whole plan with the sawmill shed was to shingle it with wood shingles. And my friend Mike, who, if you watch my videos, remember he passed away back in August. Mike owned a shingle mill, and he was going to bring it up, and we were going to saw shingles together. I recently got the opportunity, talked with his wife, and I have purchased the mill from her, and I will be donating it to Hungry Hollow, the steam and gas engine club that we were both members of. Mike was, I believe, one of the founding members. So I will be donating it to the club in his name, but I will be using it to saw the shingles for my mill. So that's something I'm doing in his honor, and to, well, kind of selfishly too, to get my shingles, but it's something that really I'm looking forward to doing, and be bringing up a lot of memories of Mike while we're doing it. So that'll be a video too, of sawing shingles with a shingle mill. So lots of cool stuff coming. So stay tuned, and I really hope your 2023 was good. I hope 2024 is even better for all of you. Looking forward to that 100,000 subscribers. Thank you everybody for sticking with me, and until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.